What
you
you
at?
put in this?
Crack.
Probably. Might go like. We have to document it, Kenny. Duh. Having it sterile.
Turn it off now. Why don't you document the people of the earth instead
You
of...
are a
talk
person
about
of the earth.
I meant the other commoners.
What?
Oh.
Snorting. Okay.
Yeah.
We're talking about snorting.
Snorting.
What was it?
Crack. Crack cocaine.
That's
Is that thing...
Can you look
Good
to your
thing-
right? Look to your right.
Good thing this is water. This thing scares the crap out of me. This is where Eldon gets to sit, by the way. Eldon's gonna sit here and he's gonna feel the wrath of me. That thing is still on, isn't it?
The girl looks at you, all of a sudden you go, oh, she looks at you, she goes,
Did you get her in it? That's gonna be priceless. Oh, I need that guy with the thing. I don't want to wave at the guy. God.
just look at him walk, look at him walk.
You are so mean. That will be me in the future.
Well then, I can laugh. What are you eating?
Chocolate pizza. Dessert.
With chocolate pudding?
No, I'm a walrus.
No.
No,
No.
that didn't work.
No, not at all. I don't think walruses' horns go like this. Or like whatever the hell they have. Teeth. Those teeth.
We're gonna have a lot of company. Pretty neat.
You're addicted to this YouTube thing.
That's because I have a YouTube channel.
Me too. How many videos should we? I have to show you me and B's video if we go to your house and we go on your computer.